be a foundational type of trance, a trance that you can go into or a meditation that you can do before you do any sort of meditation so that you are not flying away. It's a quiet and potent way to begin any deep work. It clears what's stuck and opens what's ready. And this trance will bring you into balance by anchoring you to the earth. You'll become receptive to the sky so that nothing gets in the way of your transformation. And this trance will help keep you connected to your body even if your mind begins to soften and wander. You'll be running energy up from the earth and down from the heavens. And through this, your body becomes the bridge, the vessel, the place where power moves and flows. And now we begin. To close your eyes down and allow your body to settle. Let your spine gently lengthen, regal, poised, soft. And whether you're sitting cross-legged on the floor or resting your back into a chair, let your body find that point of effortless balance. Held, but not holding. And now breathe. A deep, natural breath. Inhale. And exhale. As if your breath were already guiding you inward, into stillness, into depth. And I'll begin with a countdown. Just my voice and the numbers melting away the edges. 10. Your body softens. 9. Just drifting. 8. Already, a part of you begins to dissolve. 7. 6. 5. Floating down into the quiet 4. Each number anchoring you more deeply. 3. 2. 1. And now drop. Drop into that delicious stillness, that inner quiet, the place where energy can flow and change can happen. And you can begin to imagine a glowing cord of energy, a cord of energy that extends from the base of your spine down, down, down through the floor, down, down, down through the layers of stone and soil, into the living, breathing body of the earth. And this cord may feel like a tree root, or a stream of light, or something else entirely, and that's perfectly fine. Just feel it there. Your grounding cord, your grounding rod. And you can feel through that grounding cord the energy deep from within the earth, rising to meet you. And if you're sitting in a chair, through the soles of your feet as well, you can feel the energy rising to meet you. This warm, ancient, nourishing energy rising and flowing upward, up through your legs, up through your hips, your belly, your chest, up through your arms to your throat, and gently out through the top of your head. That's right. Just take your time to feel the energy of the earth moving up and through you, letting it flow, letting yourself be flooded with the slow, sensual movement of the earth's current. Let it circulate gently, continuously, until this feeling is steady and strong. Vital energy circulating round and round. Good. Very good. Now you can begin to sense another flow, a second current, one that is coming from above, a current that is from the space around you, from the sky, the stars, and things unseen, from the great wide cosmos that always watches, the space that is always there. Feel the energy light, crystalline and subtle, entering down through the crown of your head, and let it just flow downward, down, down, down through your brow, down, down your throat, to your heart, down to your belly, and down, down, down through that grounding cord, down into the earth. That's right. You can feel both flows of energy, now earth rising and sky descending, meeting, mingling, and coiling through your body. Yes, in perfect harmony, up through the roots and down from the stars, through you, breathing it in, inhaling that energy and exhaling anything that doesn't belong. And just let the currents balance one another. You are the bridge. You are the vessel. You are the meeting place of above and below, held perfectly between dream and reality, between expansion and form, between this place and that place, where you can let the sensation just deepen. That's right. This flow of energy will keep you grounded and open. It enhances your magnetism, nourishing your nervous system and anchoring you in to the here and now, while allowing you to dream into being whatever you want to become. Now breathe and let yourself flow. Very good. And when you're ready, you can come back into the room, fully present, fully grounded, ready for the next step.